Hey, HR pros, payroll experts, and future-focused people leaders. Here's a quick question. When was the last time your HR tech actually made your life easier? I'm Rafiq Wan. Over the past few decades, I've helped healthcare systems and enterprise transform how they manage people, payroll, and processes using tools like Oracle Fusion and Dayforce. Welcome to Mastering HCM, Oracle Fusion and Dayforce Essentials, where you'll learn how to streamline HR processes using two of the most powerful HCM platforms, brought to you by Coursera in collaboration with Starweaver. In this course, I'll give you a crash course in both platforms, two of the most powerful HCM systems used by top organizations around the world. You'll get hands-on with real-world scenarios, from configuring payroll and benefits to managing performance reviews and analyzing workforce data. We're not just clicking through screens. We're showing you how these systems actually support strategic, efficient HR, real-life impact. Really, don't worry. You don't need to be a tech wizard. We keep things simple, practical, and jargon-free. And while you won't have access to enterprise platforms themselves, you'll walk away with the know-how to speak the language, support your HR team, and even step confidently into HCM-focused roles. With over 15 years of experience integrating Oracle Fusion HR, finance, and supply chain, and deep expertise in Dayforce for workforce scheduling and payroll, I've seen what works and what doesn't. If you're ready to build skills that employers are actively hiring for, while actually understanding how these systems work behind the scenes, this is your starting point. Let's make HR tech work for you. See you inside.